Let's learn some colors and alphabets. Brown color, yellow color, dark green color, orange color, blue color, light blue color, peacock green color, violet color, red color, dark pink color, green color, black color, light pink color. Peacock green color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Peacock green color. Yellow color. B for boat. B for boat. Yellow color. Pink color. C for cake. C for cake. Pink color. Dark green color. D for drum. D for drum. Dark green color. Red color. E for eagle. E for eagle. Red color. Green color. F for flower. F for flower. Green color. Black color. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Black color. Orange color. H for house. H for house. Orange color. Brown color. I for ice. I for ice. Brown color. Light pink color. J for juice. J for juice. Light pink color. Blue color. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Blue color. Violet color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Violet color. Sky blue color. M for milk. M for milk. Sky blue color. Peacock green color. N for nail. N for nail. Peacock green color. Yellow color. O for onion. O for onion. Yellow color. Pink color. P for pencil. P for pencil. Pink color. Dark green color. Q for quail. Q for quail. Q for quail. Dark green color. Red color. R for road. R for road. Red color. Light green color. S for star. S for star. Light green color. T Black color. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Black color. Orange color. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Orange color. Brown color. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. Brown color. Light pink color. W. W for whale. W for whale. Light pink color. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Blue color. Pink color. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Pink color. Violet color. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Violet color. A for aeroplane. B for boat. C for cake. D for drum. E for eagle. F for flower. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for milk. N for nail. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for quail. R for road. S for star. T for tomato. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.